Check out this awesome home available for rent now. This is 7540 Freesia Trace in Wesley Chapel, Florida. Located in beautiful and growing Wesley Chapel, Florida, this large 5-bedroom home has plenty of room for all. On a corner lot with a yard and plenty of space, this home has it all. When you first walk into the home from the nice covered porch, you see the stairs to your right and a hallway to your living area to the left. If you follow that, you'll find the open floor plan, ample room for entertaining, and tons of natural light. The kitchen opens right up to the living area, so you can watch TV while cooking or entertain your guests sitting right there at the kitchen island. The kitchen also features a great sized pantry, stainless steel appliances, and a door that leads right out to the backyard. There is a secondary bedroom and full bathroom downstairs for guests who might want some separate private space. Now, when you go upstairs, you first are brought right into the large loft, perfect for a separate entertaining space. The master suite is around to your left from here, right next to the laundry room. The rest of the secondary bedrooms are right over to your right with another full bathroom accompanying them. Unfortunately, this home does not allow pets at this time. To rent this home, you will need a 620 credit score, 3 times the rent in income, and go through a background and credit check. For even more information on the rental requirements, check out the link right below for our property management information. If you're looking for more homes, either for rent or for sale, check out this playlist here, and make sure to subscribe to my channel for all things Tampa.